You can explore more of your favourite CBeebies shows on BBC iPlayer.
I love the Octonauts, so much so that I made this Octonaut hat. And here's how I made it. You will need light blue card, dark blue card, white card, a blue pen, a paper plate, a ruler, a pencil, scissors, glue, a cup, and sticky tape. First, I'm going to draw 2 lines like this. Now, in the middle, draw a semicircle. I've used a paper plate as a guide to draw around. Then you need to cut out your hat shape. Remember, scissors are sharp, so ask a grown-up to help you. Now we need to make the badge. Using a cup, draw a circle on the white card. Now get your blue paper and using the other end of the cup, draw a smaller circle. With a grown-up's help, cut them both out. Use a glue stick to stick the blue circle into the middle of the white circle. Now, ask your grown-up to help you cut 2 thin strips of darker blue card out. We're now going to stick the badge and our 2 strips of card onto our hat. Now you can draw an octopus and cut it out, then stick it onto the front of your hat. Or you could even paint an octopus. I'm now going to draw a face for my octopus. Now with a grown-up's help, wrap the hat around your head and tape the ends together so it fits your head. And there you have it, your very own Octonaut hat.
Do you love CBeebies? Well, you can learn, sing and explore with all your favourite CBeebies friends like Number Blocks, Mr Tumble, Bluey, Jojo and Gran Gran and so much more. Why not ask your grown-up to download the BBC iPlayer app where you can watch all your favourite CBeebies friends anytime, anywhere you like.